So we are back with a brand new product. This is the Marbero portable power station. Let's open this up. It's pretty easy and simple, and you've got a nice little padding here to make sure it's safe and secure for where it's going. And then you also have a manual. And you have your accessories, I'm guessing in this box here, which is nice. Adapters, looks like a cigarette lighter, and power cord. Okay. So this is the actual device. It's very compact, very small. I like this because you can keep this easily in a backpack on the go for camping. Get your power out, then you get your light here. As you can see, it's pretty bright. It's even brighter. And then it has blink options. It's very cool. So you have your DC out, which can connect you to a cigarette lighter, which is really cool. You got your power plug here, grounded, non-grounded. You've got two USBs. You got your USB 3.0s for faster charging out, of course, and then you've got your USB-C for even faster charging out. Your DC in plug-in here is on the bottom, right here by this fan put. Yeah. You could use this for a myriad of things, CPAP devices, on the go. You can also use these specifically for lights, laptops, because they have the grounded, depending on the type of plug you need. It's a lot of really good options with this device. It doesn't have a very in-depth readout. It's basically just a battery right there, but you can turn it on and off, and you can see here as you're charging it down the line. It also says that it can support solar panel charging, so I imagine that would basically be through the DC in plug. You'd have to have an adapter for different type of plug type. But that's really cool. Okay, just a little bit of additional information for you guys. You can have it. It takes about 5 to 6 hours to charge this bad boy up with the wall socket. Keep that in mind to make sure you get it all charged up for your trip. It has basically about 24,000 milliamps built into the battery pack storage on it. It basically can put out a total of 12 to 16 volts on this at a time, and it basically has an AC output maximum of 110 volts. It has a continuous 80 watts, 120 watts max, and this thing weighs about 2.3 pounds. So it's actually not super heavy, not super light though. It's got a really good battery in there. So hopefully that's helpful for your needs. Pick up one for yourself, and we'll see you guys next time.